Go ahead.
So first, I import requests to get the request from the website, and then I import path as SPD to get the library, and then I got from date and time and I imported the date time. So I'll get the date and time. Then I put my AP key, which equals that, and the base URL for the website. Then I made a function called weather and I put the parameter as city. I use Paris equals Q as city, APD as the API, and units as the units we're using, which is metric. Then I ended it and I put try. Then I put RAS equals request dot get base URL, Paris equals premise, and then I did RAS raise for status to see if there's any errors. Then I got the data equals RAS dot Johnson. And then I put if data get caught
It's called
exclamation
Jason. Jason, like Jason. Yes,
Jason.
I get you. Sorry. Yeah, go ahead. I know it's still new to you, but go ahead. It's Jason. Okay, go ahead.
Data equals rest from Jason. And if data get caught equals exclamation point equals 200. So if the data doesn't isn't at equals 200, it's an error. And I put unable to retrieve weather data from this for the city and error code, and I put the error, which is that. Then I put return none. Then I got the temperature, and I got the weather description, and I got the humidity. Then I returned it, and then I got the city and put city temperature, and then temperature, and I did this. The weather description, and humidity as humidity. And then I put the timestamp as data time dot now. And then I check all the errors by the HTTP error and if there's a request error and to raise all the errors. Then I return none. Then I put to input the city and the weather data. And then I put weather city and then I printed all the information. And if none of the information comes up, then I put unable to retrieve weather data.
Wow, 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 wow. This is good. This is good. This is good. That means please share back your screen. I need to see the reservoir data details. It's very important. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Thank you very much. I've seen it all. Thank you very much, Godiva. This is good. Godiva has been an amazing student. You can stop your sharing. Godiva has been an amazing student. She might be a little bit quiet. I think Godiva has actually been this very quiet of recently. I think Godiva, we're not the one that used to write on our screens. I she would draw at the screen and look for trouble, but now she has become so quiet and she's observing and she has still been the amazing Godiva that we know. And I'm very proud of that presentation tonight. Different people, different ideas coming together to actually perform the same weather app forecasting, and it's actually fantastic. I am proud of Godiva. I'm also proud of Tommy. I'm proud of Samuel, and I'm already proud of David because I know he's going to explain to the best of his ability as well. Okay, so David, you